The big football match. It was a sunny Saturday morning. The small town of Greenfield was buzzing with excitement. Today was the day of the big football match between the Greenfield Eagles and the Blue River Sharks. Everyone in town was talking about it. Tom, a 12-year-old boy, loved football. He played for the Eagles. He practiced every day with his friends. His best friend, Jake, was the team captain. They both wanted to win the match. The whole team wore bright yellow jerseys with a big eagle on the front. As the match began, the stadium was cheering fans. Tom felt nervous, but excited. The whistle blew, and the game started. The Eagles played well, passing the ball and moving quickly. Tom ran fast and tried to score a goal, but the Sharks were strong. In the second half, the score was tied at 1-1. The Eagles needed to score again to win. Tom took a deep breath and ran towards the goal. He saw Jake open and passed the ball to him. Jake kicked the ball hard, and it flew into the net. The crowd went wild. The Eagles won the match 2-1. Tom felt so happy. He hugged Jake and his teammates. They celebrated with ice cream after the game. Tom knew that teamwork and practice made them champions. He couldn't wait for the next match.